Hi everyone, so this is OptionAlpha trading stock options. Basically, I'm only trading indexes. So I'm not financial advisor of any kind. I'm just showing you how I trade. I'm still learning options, so I'm using paper account. So basically, as I said last year, few days ago, I'm gonna create a new bot. So this is my new bot. This is my live account. So here is my new bot. So what happened on Friday is if I look at the positions, right now I have 4 positions, and on January 3rd I did close 3. So XSP, I got 208, and then the second time 171. And XLE, I knew I'm gonna lose $100, not a biggie. So right now I have TLT. So here is my TLT for trying to get 200% out of it. So when I go to my edit, I noticed that this is super cool feature, because if you put 200% here, then even before the closing, it can pick you up. So I kind of like that feature. So in IWM, I'm shooting for 63.9%. And here, if I go to exit options, I can shoot for 95%, just in case it comes, you never know. So I'm gonna save this. DIA, I'm going for 244%, and then on the edit, I'm gonna also mark it, because this did happen. So here I can, doesn't matter, I can put 500% return, which is good. So fast, and it can spike or whatever. So for TLT, again, 78.6%. Well, I wish they have like 500% here, so you never know. So I'm gonna put 95% and fast and save. Okay, so this is my setup for Monday. Of course, on Monday, I will try and go to check some ODTEs. So now let's look at TLT. So I'm going to my chart, as I said, because I trust myself more. So two options, right? 1-day trading, 3-day trading, and the long term. So I'm looking at daily chart. It was still sell. This is the support, 86.9. 10 hours, still don't have a buy. 8 hours. So I usually take a 5-hour and 4-hour chart. So I trust 5-hour more. So if we look at this, and then if I look at my indicator, this was divergence, but this divergence only works for a day, and it is super, super accurate. It's amazing. And it is this indicator that shows you reverse CRSI. And also this indicator is also really, really good, because, for example, here it was obvious a sell signal, but here it's D. It says D, like a divergence. So if it was December 13 at 14:30, so and this indicator pops up as soon as it pops up, then you know whether to buy or sell. So in this case, this closed. So it closed at 90.08. This one closed at 90.05. But it did go up. So this is kind of accurate, but this one is incredibly accurate. Like here, it tells you that it's a buy. So it was 14:30. So basically, you know it's gonna be above. You know it's gonna be above this close. So close was 89.85. So if you had a long put spread at that level, then you would definitely in one day would be able to make money. Of course, you are looking at 5 hours, so you cannot place this at 9:30 in the morning. So you would place this 5 hour before the closing because it's a 5-hour candle. Okay, so for my 5-hour candle right now, it tells me buy, and it's trying so many times to break this trend line of 86.97. And then if I look here, I do see that it is bullish here. It is bullish, so it will try to break it. So the iron condor could be probably between 87 and 89, right? But actually it could be between 87 and 88, so which would be perfect. So that's why for this TLT, I don't know how many days will go here, so that's why I have this TLT 2 days, and here I have 13 days. So this one is a long put spread, which right now I'm expecting it to bounce a little bit, and this is only for 2 days. But this one is short put spread, and I'm losing on this one. So we'll see. I don't know if in real account I can put both, maybe in 2 different bots. So the next one is IWM. Right now it looks like probability of maximum profits 67%, blah blah. So IWM, here is IWM, and this is daily, which is really long term. So when I trade options, I trade it on a 1-hour chart and a 4-hour chart, because each candle is 4 hours and even a 5. So it does say it's a bullish. So what do I have here for IWM? So IWM, January 10th is my expiration. So, and it's a short put spread, so it cannot go, my break even is 22161. So this one is almost good. The next one is DIA. So let me find it. So DIA, well, let's go to 4 hours. So it was bullish, and the 5 hours, I don't know what happened. Okay. And 5 hour is also bullish. I trust 5 hour more because it's a 5-hour candle. And why is it bullish? So now here and here, it's like, you could say it's a divergence, right? A divergence from here to here. And then also on the bottom, if you look at the bottom, there is also divergence. So at this point, it shows divergence. So if on this January 2nd, you did buy this, on January 3rd, you would use ODTE and make money. So for me, this one would be a buy because I'm expecting it to go to 433. So for DIA, I did put long put spread, and that's why I'm losing. And but the expiration is January 17th. So DIA, if I look at daily, it also shows me that it is a buy. So I'm looking at 17 days, right? 17, maybe 2 weeks from now. And this today is telling me that it's gonna break from here, if it does break below 421. So on my real account, I would never do this, but here I'm just testing my theory. So this one short term is a bullish, but longer term is bearish. Okay, so this one was not a good one. And this one also TLT long and then short put spreads. But this one is 13 days closing. Okay, so it's waiting. So it is on the, so what am I trying to do? Short put spread, which means I'm expecting it to go up, right? So again, TLT, I'm expecting it to go within 13 days to go up. So this could happen. So I'm not saying it won't happen. Okay, so now I want to look at XSP because this is the only one that I'm going to trade on my live account. I just hate when it assigns for some unknown reason. Okay, so very long-term daily, I don't see clearly, but here you see there was a divergence on the MACD, and that's why it's going up. So how much up? Probably until 601. But here I do see RSI is kind of turning bullish, so a little bit. So I'm not sure. 10 days, I still don't have it. So basically, I cannot go long term on this one, and that's not the point. The 4-hour chart, on January 2nd, it told me to buy. And so this is on 4-hour. On 5-hour also is a buy. Okay, so it's definitely a bullish one. So first thing on Monday, I will see if I go to 1 hour and look. It is a buy, but it is at this resistance here. So even 30 minutes says sell. So 30 minutes, even 15 minutes, when I get a signal to buy, I'll definitely then buy. I can buy right now, but I don't want to because I missed this buy here, so now it went really much up higher. So that's why I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes to see how much sell will go. So at the same time, I can sell on Monday, definitely, but this is 30 minutes, right? So if I go to 1 hour, yeah, it is kind of risky. So maybe half an hour. So I will see. But right now in 30 minutes, it's telling you to sell. So I'm not considering it really. 4-hour is still buy, 5-hour is still buy. So which means that let's assume 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would probably shoot for a 7 to 10 days expiration and place a buy order. And let's see SPY. So SPY is daily, again, nothing. 3 days is a sell. Okay, so this one wants to drop really long term, 568, but I'm not interested in long term. So 4-hour is a buy, the same as XSP. So basically the same situation here, 7 to 10 days expiration. I'm gonna buy this one, and but this one I'm not gonna make much money because my break even would have to be 580. So for XSP, my break even would be probably 590, so I can get 200 or 300% profit. So let me see, what else do I have? That's about it. These are the ones that I like to trade. So we'll see what happens Monday around probably 11 o'clock. I will see where does this go, but definitely this one, XSP, is the one that I plan on buying. So that's about it. Have fun.